Hi all, I am Muhammad Raji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will study or we will understand about different string methods available in Python. So first let me have one string. Okay. So here I have assigned a variable text with a word Python. So we can see like what all are functions or methods available for this string. So for that we can use the keyword dir and text. Okay. So there are lot of methods are available. So we will try to see like most of these methods. Okay, most widely used methods we can try to discuss. Okay, so in this way we can understand, we know that what all are the major functions available for this particular data type. Similar to this, we can use any data types and we can try to see the methods or functions available for that particular data type. Okay, we declare it. So first we can understand method like capitalized, str.capitalize. So return a copy of the string with its first character capitalized and the rest is lowercase. Okay. So for the, let me type name equal, so we can just write it. Okay. Name is equal to Python, then name dot capitalize. Okay. So this will capitalize the first character of the string. So here we are returning a copy of a function. So if you type the name again, okay, it will print the old Python itself. Okay. So we have to, if you want to keep it, like we have to create another variable, then we have to type like name dot capitalize, then print name 1. Okay. Then str dot lower. So this is the s name. So this is very easy. Lower, this is to make the string into lowercase character. Here also like it is returning the copy of the string. So I can type that Python dot lower. Just click on dot, then just click on the tab. Okay. So here it will list in Jupyter Notebook. It will list all the methods available. So here I can type lower, then open and close the bracket, then it will convert into the lowercase character. So here we can type like Python dot lower. I forgot the dot lower. So this is converted to lowercase. Then another is string casefold. So return a case folded copy of a string. Case folded strings may be used to do caseless matching. So here also we are returning a lowercase string. Okay, similar to lower. Okay, so for example, we can have a Python dot casefold. Here we can have Python dot casefold. Say caseless matching. So one of the use cases, here I have copied this. So here this is a German word. Okay. So this in English its meaning is SSS. Okay. I mean 2S. SS. Okay. This is how it's represented in English. Okay. This is equivalent to this character is equivalent to SS in English. So if we are using lower, okay, s1 dot lower, this will return this particular character itself in German. It's actually a German. So if we are using casefold, it will return to SS. Okay, so that is a major difference between the lower and the casefold. Okay. Now next is str sender. Return centered in a string of length width. Padding is done using the specified fill char. The original string is returned if width is less than or equal to the length. Okay, we can check that. Okay, so here I am typing Python dot sender open and close bracket. Just in to see the parameters, just click on the shift tab. It's not coming for me. Let me try it again. You let me try it again. Sender, then usually shift tab will give us some the parameters list, but somehow it is not coming now. So let maybe like we can try it later. We can continue with the lecture. So here python.sender, we can give a width. I am giving a width of 10. Okay, the fill character is optional. See, this is centralizing the word Python. Okay, you can see some space here and some space here. So this is 5 and 5. So we can try it like another Python dot sender 10. We can type star. Okay, so here we can see the I made a mistake. So here like total it is 10. Okay, so here total it is 10, and the Python itself is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then we have remaining is 4, and that is filled in the front and the after and the before the word Python. Okay, so you can use maybe dollar. If it is 9 even number, here it is 2, here it is 1. Okay, then another scenario that we can check is if we have like a Python dot sender, and if you are giving like a length of 2, so this is less than the length of our word Python. Okay, so this will not make any change. Okay, then another method is count. Return the number of non-overlapping occurrence of substring. Substring sub means this. Okay, in the range of start and the end. Okay, so this also we can check how this work. Okay, here I have a text. Can have a text here. I am writing a text. This is a Python tutorial. So this is the text. Here I can check text.count and to see that the occurrence of a word. So here I can check is. So is occurring 3 times. We can check that 1, 2. It's actually 2. Yeah, here auto it is coming like substring is this. So here auto it is counting. So we can check that. So I want to see number of occurrence of word is between index 0 and index 10. It is 2 because I believe it is and is. So we can check that between 5. Then it is only 1. Okay, so this is how it works. Then we can check another function, string dot ends with. Returns true if the string ends with the specific suffix, otherwise return false. So we already have a text, so we can check the text dot ends with give a substring. We can check full. Maybe I can give a powerful. This is true because this is ends with powerful. I can give like another word this. I will type in a different style. This is true, then text dot ends with, if I type, this is false. Here also we can give start and the end index. So you can give like ends with, we can check this is. Okay, I am checking is and starts with 0, ends with 10. This may be more than 10. Let me check that. Maybe we can type 6 or 5 here. 6. be 5. Now let me count it again. Okay, 7. Here index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, then index case it's 7. Okay, so that is why it's returned 0, because it is checking this is. Okay, now we have another property, expand tab, string dot expand tab. This is also very useful, not mostly used, but we can try this. This is Python training detailed lecture. Okay, I can say st, and here we can have like expand tabs 20. So this will expand the tab to 20. If it is 1, see this gap is space is reduced. Now another function is string find. This is also used to return the lower index of the string where the substring is found. Okay, lower index. So that means the first the first substring found in the input string. Here maybe I can give can try with just see, this is our text word. Okay, I can try with text dot find, then I can type Python 10. Okay, this is the lowest index. This is the text. If I have, suppose like I have like another text, let me take this, and here let me change it to P, then dot find Python. Here it is also returning 10. Now we can give start and the end. Okay, so I am just copying this itself, then I can dot find the Python starting from maybe we can say it like maybe 22, then I am just not giving like the end index, then it will take the string length as an end. We are getting 27. Then another thing is like if you want to, so if we are like find this we are using if you want to get the index. Okay, and if you want to know a particular substring is exist in that string, input string, we can usually we will check that py in Python. See, this will return true or false. So here like I can check that py word is exist in this Python. Okay, this is how we mostly use in our programs. Then another method is string index. So this is similar to find, but only thing is that if, okay, I will show you one more thing in the find. Okay, in the find I can type like Python. Okay, then dot find, I'm going to find the Java in Python. See, this string is not there in this word, so it is written -1. Okay, but in string index it is similar to find, but it is raise a value error when the substring is not found. Okay, we can see that. For example, we can use the same string here. I am just copying it, and instead of find I am using the index. See, it is written in the index. Now I can see if Python dot index, I can check for Java. So this will return a value error. Okay, so in find it was actually returning a -1, but here it is returning the value error. Okay, it is raising the value error. It will raise the value error. Then another is string is alnu, as name mentioned, like it will check that any alphanumeric is there. Okay, in that particular input string. Dot is alarm, see this is true, and I can say mic is 20 dot is alarm, yes this is also true, and here I can say mic at gmail.com dot is alarm. This is false because it has a special characters, and this is checked like another method is like is alpha. Yeah, similar to alphanumeric, it will check only the alphabets. Python dot is alpha, I can check this, this is return true. If I have like a 1 2 1 2 dot is alpha, this will return false, okay, because it has an integer. So another is like is ASCII, yeah, is ASCII returns true if the string is empty or all characters in the string are ASCII. So this is also like very simple program. Like if it is not is ASCII, I mean simple functions. If I type is ASCII, this will return true, and if I give a p dot is ASCII, see this will return true. The p is ASCII. Then we have a, I can check for ASCII, then this is return true. Then another is like is decimal, this will return the numbers with the base 10. If it is returned true, it will return true if the numbers are base 10. So let me have like a 10 dot 1 dot is decimal, see this is true, and a dot is decimal, this should be false, okay. The next is digit, okay. So this will consider like digit include decimal characters and the digits that need to be special handling, such as incompatibility superscript digit, okay. This is similar to decimal, but only thing is that it will consider like non base 10 digits also. Here we can check like 10 dot is digit. True. Then is lower, yeah, this is, I hope like you guys guessed it. If I type u dot is lower, so this will give us false because we have a u here. Now I can give, I mean y is caps here, I can give u dot is lower. See this is true because all are in lower case. Now maybe we can combine like one or two functions, okay. U now dot, I am going to make it lower, okay. So this will give me the u, then dot is lower, true. So we can actually concatenate like one or two functions together, okay. String dot is space, okay. Here it will check that space is there. Python is a good programming language. Dot is space can check it is false. Is space should be true. Is space, yeah, this it has a string there, okay. It will, if it has a space here, yeah, this will return only true if it is a space only, okay. Then is title, is title, here we can check is title Python dot is title. See, this is false because title is not there. Here I can say that python dot is title. This will be true because it has a title. Now is upper, this is checking that is upper, this is false. Then I can check it, like can be one caps python dot is upper, it's also false. I can check python dot is upper, this is true. Next is string join. Okay. Here we can join strings together. Okay, so that here we can say maybe I have a languages. So here, so this is a list data type that we will study in our coming videos. Here I have Java, then I have C#. Okay, so I want to join these languages together. So I can use space. I am concatenating the languages together. Here I can use join languages. See, this will be concatenated with a space. Now next is string load dot left justification. Okay, so here maybe we can have a python dot justify 10. Here we can check that we will have total 10, then this is the justified. So similar to sender, but here like left justified. Okay, maybe here we can give some fill character. I'm just copying and pasting here. We can give some fill character star. See, there will be 4 star. Total it will be 10, and then rest of the spaces will be filled with the fill character. Okay. Now next is left strip. Here return a copy of a string with the leading characters are removed. Okay, if for example if I have few space and here I am saying python, then I am typing left strip, this will automatically remove the space here. So by default it will remove the space. Space is the by default character. Okay, and maybe I can say that python dot left strip, you can say p. See, this will remove the p. Okay, then another thing, just consider here space spacious space dot L strip. So this will remove the leading spaces. Now consider another example, www dot. So here another, just read this. Okay, returns a copy of the string with the leading characters removed. The car's argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If omitted or none, the car's argument default to removing white space. The car's argument is not prefix, rather all the combinations of its values are stripped, or combinations of value are stripped. For example, see here www.example.com. okay, dot L strip. Here I am giving w. See, all the w's are removed. If I am giving w dot, see, all the combinations are removed from here. See, w dot are removed from here. So next is we can check remove prefix. Okay, there is one more thing is there, remove prefix. Let me add it here. Remove prefix. Okay, the prefix is similar to L strip, but only thing is that it will not do the combination part. Okay, for example, let me have the thing. See here I am using L strip and the author is there, and I have a L strip author. Okay, so here the result is it will remove the author and it also will remove the thr, because it has a combination here. Thr is a combination here, right? So that also will be removed from here when we use the L strip. But if you use the remove prefix, it will remove only the author colon space only. Okay, now next is remove suffix. So this will remove the suffix part. If you have something like this will remove the suffix part. Okay, the text is removed. Then string replace. So this is return a copy of a string with all occurrence of substring all replaced by new. If the optional argument count is given, only the first count occurrence are replaced. Okay. So for example, consider the example Python. Now I want to replace with the Python with a caps Python. Okay. Then I have to remove the two occurrence. Okay, so if I add like more Python here, then just type. See, it has removed only the first two occurrence of Python. Let me copy this and remove this word count here, then just print it. See, all the occurrences are removed. Now next is string rfind. Return the highest index of the string where the substring sub is found. Okay, so we can try that. So we already have a variable as a text, right? Here we can find text dot write find Python. This is 27 because it is showing the index of this Python. So let me make it like character P. Then let me have like a rfind Python. Rfind Python. Here we have two Pythons are there, right? Here we have like a Python here and a Python here. So this is showing the index of this Python. Okay, because it's showing the highest index in the string. Then this is right justified. So we have found we have understood the left justified. Now this is the right justified. Okay, similar to left justified, only difference is that it is justifying to right. Right justified, I can have 10, so this will be like this. Now I can have the same thing Python, I can write justify it 10, then I can have a fill character star. Okay, this will fill the character. Then right split. Okay, so this is also very interesting function. This is the right split. and separator and the max split is equal to -1. So that we can see. Okay. Here what happens? This is a Python test program. Okay. Dot R split. Then if I didn't give any parameters, see, this will take space as the default one. Then this will split the word, split the line by space. Here it is 1, here it is 1, then A, then Python, then test and NLP. See, this is splitting. Okay. Now let me copy this. Now I can have maybe max split. If I give max split 2, see, this is a right split, right? So this will start from right. Here it is split the program and the test. So 2 split, that means we will get 3 words. One split is here and one split is here. Then we will get 3. Okay. Maybe I can, in now my example, we can have like another, we can add a separator. We can add a separator equal to maybe T. I can give a separator. See, here the first T is here from the right. This is a right split. So it will split here, then program. Let me check here a second. I have given T 2 split. Okay, it happens 2 split, right? One is here and one is here. Okay, so it has a program here. Then we have a split, this T split and this T split. Then ES is here. Then rest of the sentence is here. Okay, that is how it splits. Then split lines. Okay, so split lines. Let me copy this. Okay, split lines. Okay, here we have a slash n, right? So it will split the word by lines. Here we have a slash n, here we have a slash n, that's why we have an empty space. Then we have a slash n is here, right? So this is showing like A, B, C. Then we have a D, E. Then D, E, F, G we have. Then it is, this is minus R. Then we have a K, L. Okay, this minus slash R means it is a return. So this is splitting based on the lines. And if you want to see the ending line, it will, we can write it like keep ends is equal to true. See, this will shows that ending character also. Here we have a slash n, slash n, slash r and a slash n, right? Then another method we have is start with prefix, then start and the end. So we can check this. I can check maybe I can check that it is prefix with Python. Then this is true, right? Because we have starting with the py. Now maybe I can check Python start with maybe Python. I can check Python from 3 to maybe 6. This is false because here we don't have that py. Okay, then strip is used to strip both spaces. Python we have, okay, dot strip. See, by default it will take spaces, otherwise we can give the characters. Then another is like swap case. So if I have python dot swap case, you will understand this swap case. See, the lowercase become uppercase and uppercase become lowercase. Another example, we can have a python dot swap case. So this will be changing the case. Another is title. So if you want to give some title, maybe we have a hello world, and if we come to title, this will be hello world, W will be caps. Okay, I can have a python dot title. See, python, right? This is the first character become caps. Okay, so these are the few methods that is available in Python with respect to the string data type. There are like little bit more methods are available. So these are the methods that we mostly use in our projects. So no need to by heart all these parameters and all those things. So you can just, so for anything if you want to know, just type like dir and the string, then it will give you the all the methods available. Okay, just go and try to understand this available methods, then this will be like very useful. So we don't need to write like any code, we can just directly go and use these methods. Okay, so that is in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.